One time we had a garden, and it was doing pretty well, and we left town for 3 weeks. We had somebody water for us, but we didn't have anyone pull weeds for us. So when we left, the things we had planted were starting to bloom, and they were a couple inches high. And when we came back, the weeds were about 3 feet high, and you couldn't even see the plants we had planted. If you pushed back the weeds, you could see the plant, and they're barely struggling by. But if we hadn't done anything at that point, the plants would have died, and if nothing else, they wouldn't have bore fruit. But we pulled the weeds and then kept nurturing those plants, and then they grew and produced vegetables for us. It's the same thing in our lives when we let the weeds grow, the weeds of unforgiveness, the weeds of regret, the weeds of hate. That crowds out everything good that could grow out of our lives until we pull those weeds out.